Hey everyone, welcome back to Codex Academy. Let me ask you an interesting question. Have you ever thought about where money comes from? How do people earn money to buy things like food, clothes, toys, or chocolates? And here's another question. Can your hobbies and skills also help you to earn money? In this video, we will learn what income is and how hobbies and skills can help people generate money and create different types of income. But before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends. Now let's begin. In the previous session, we have discussed about the money, evolution of money. Now we are going to discuss about what is income. And before we are going to discuss about what is income, first I will ask you one question. Do you really know where money come from? Like suppose you want money or you want a toy car and you just pray to God, please God give me 500 rupees and with this 500 rupees I will buy my favorite toy car. And when you open your eyes, the money or your toy car is just in front of you. Is it really happens? Of course, not at all, right? So, where will get the money? Fulfill our demand, our wish, and our desires. And you heard this line so many times when you demand constantly different things. That is, money doesn't grow on tree. So, from where money comes, right? Definitely, money doesn't grow on tree, but you can earn in the form of income, right? What is income? Income is the money, and that money you will get when you do something helpful, useful, or creative. And just because of your service, your community help, or your good work, you will earn an income. So, income is nothing but that is money, which you will get by doing something helpful, creative, and useful, which help the people. We give the people something in exchange of money, right? So first, I will tell you by the different example how you can earn the money. First, we meet a baker. The baker earn money through delicious creation. This baker bake bread, cakes, and this skill of baking not only satisfy cravings, but also it provide him a steady source of earning for his hard work, right? Because his talent of baking give earning to him to fulfill his demand and his wishes, right? Now see the another example. Meet a bus driver. What is bus driver? A bus driver is also a skillful profession which requires skills, responsibility, and dedication to keeping everyone on board secure during their journey and safely transport the passenger to their destination. And because of this profession, that bus driver earn income, right? So this is what this profession help the bus driver to earn income for his better survival, right? Now if we're talking about an artist, artists also earn money through its creativity because he makes beautiful paintings and he or she sell in the market. People buy the painting and in exchange of painting, an artist earn money, right? So definitely his creativity allow him to express the ideas, emotions, bringing beautifully into the world, and it helps to generate financial reward for his effort, right? Now, if we're talking about the veterinary caring for animals, right? But their service of caring, diagnosing illness, performing surgeries, and ensure pets or wildlife receiving healthiest care possible, that not only important for our community, but also it's a beautiful source of income. This veterinarian not only care the animals, but also this profession help them for their survival. in all over the world, multiple professions on the basis of your creativity, on the basis of providing service, on the basis of your skill. There is many options are available to earn income. And this income is nothing but a money which provide us a better life, right? Now, we have discussed about what is income, but not all income is the same. How we can say all income is not same? Let's discuss. Okay, types of income. The first type of income is called salary. I hope you heard this term so many times. What is salary? Salary is a fixed regular payment in monthly basis, sometimes quarterly basis, that is received on the basis of your work performance, right? Every end of the month, or you can say the first day of month, the salary based person get fixed amount of payment received for their work which have done throughout the month. This fixed regular payment provide the financial stability, predictability, also allow the individual to plan their expense and save for their future. That is goal effective. Suppose you get 10,000 rupees per month. So according to that, every month you will get 10,000. So you can divide your 10,000 amount on the basis of your house expenses, how much amount you will save for your future, and how much amount you will spend to fulfill your wish, right? So fixed salary, it's a type of income which provide the financial stability. The next type of income is wages. What is wages? Wages is a money that earn for hourly basis work, or we can say as per task completed. Like I will give you a task, you need to complete that task, and on the basis of that you will get the money. Or per hour basis, like this work is belongs to 2 hours, so I will not pay for the whole day, I will pay only per hour work. How much work you have done in the 1 hour, according to that it will pay, right? Many professions like bus drivers or also workers, they receive wages based on number of hours they work each week. Okay, so they are not get the fixed salary every month, but they paid hourly basis or as per the task completed. Now we'll discuss about the next type of income, that is profit. That term I hope you have heard so many times. When you earn the money after covering all the expenses of your business, right? For example, you make one product and that product cost is 800 rupees, but in market you sell in 1000 rupees, right? So what is your earn income here? You earn 200 rupees because 1000 minus 800 is 200. And what is this 200? What type of income it is? That is your profit on your product, right? What you sell in the market. Same, an artist sells a painting for more the cost of material, right? Like suppose an artist use colors, papers and frames to make their painting. Every material have some cost. The artist need to pay. But when it comes to sale in the market, the painting more than the cost of material. And that makes the difference, and that difference is their profit, right? Now, another type of income is commission. Commission is the payment based on your sales or service, right? Where you are not going to sell your own product or get the profit. It is not a profit, it's a commission where you are going to be on the money for the each customizable, like suppose like example, like for an example, an artist earn a commission for each custom painting sold. You have seen in market so many paintings are available, but you want some different customization, and on the basis of that artist get the customizable painting and you give the money for his service, right? So definitely this commission kind of income is not your product you sell and you get the profit. It's based on your sales, is based on your service which you provide to your customer, right? So that is called commission. Now the next one is reward. Reward is an extra income, extra money given for your achievement, for your exceptional performance. You have heard so many times in many competition exams also, you will get the reward money for the first prize, not only trophy, you will get the 1,000 rupees check, right? So that is what? That is nothing but reward. That reward is a type of income which can motivate individual, right? Like company give bonus to their employee. That is not a part of their income, right? But it is kind of extra money, extra income to make their employee motivated and always ready to do more and more hard work, right? Suppose the veterinarian receiving bonus for the care of animals, and also if you perform very good in your exam and you got the good achievement, so you rewarded by the prize money, right? So this is called the reward, the extra money received for your achievement and exceptional performance, right? Next is called allowance. What is the sense of allowance? Allowance are the regular small sum of money. Sometimes you have heard mommy asked to do some work, right? And in behalf of that, she will tell us, I will make your pocket money double, or I will give you 10 rupees if you do this work for me. This type of allowance often given by the parents to the children, which help the kids to learn about budgeting and value of earning money. Because if the money you will get without any effort, so it might be possible you will not value it. So the parents or your guardian always trying to teach you the value of money. So in that case, they give some amount of money in exchange of do some house chores or responsibilities. So this is called allowance. Now the next type of money is gift money. What is gift money? Sounds interesting? Yes. Gift money is freely given. The amount of money which we'll get without any expectations of work in return. You definitely got money from your grandparents, guardian, parents on your birthday or any festival or any other good occasion in your family. So this is what? This is a gift money where there is no expectation of do work in return. This providing a fun way to receive income without any effort, right? So such type of income is called gift money. Now we'll discuss about the difference between earned income and the gifted money. What is the key difference between both of that? So if we'll talk about the earned money, earn means you need to earn it. You will not gift it just like that. Here you need to earn money through work. You have to do work, then only you will get money. It includes salaries, commissions, wages. On the basis of that, you will get the money. It requires your effort and the time invested to earn that income. But if we're talking about the gifted money that you received without work, as a birthday gift, as a festival gift, or just like that, there is no demand of work to get such kind of money. It includes gifts and allowance. No effort required to obtain such kind of money. When you understand the difference between both kind of income, earned and gifted, then you will understand how these earned money and gifted money contribute to our finance and influence our spending and savings decisions, right? Now I'll ask one more question to you. Do you think can kids earn income? Yes, of course. Kids can earn income by helping with chores like allowance. This is what? That kid can earn income in the form of allowance? Yes. By selling crafts or by doing some small jobs for neighbors. So this is in exchange of help, you can earn money, right? For example, you done activity and sell the lemonade in your society compound and you get money in exchange of glass of lemonade. That help you to understand what is earn money, how you can earn money. That also encourage responsibility and improve your entrepreneurship skill from a young age. Now we'll discuss about how hobbies can generate income. As we have discussed earlier, a baker has a hobby to cook delicious cakes and bread. An artist has hobby to apply his creativity on paper. These hobbies can evolve into profitable venture. How it is possible? Not only the people, even the kids can sell crafts, bake goods or offer service like pet care or sell some food products which turn their interest into exciting income opportunity, right? In a such young age, this thing not only help them to understand the community service, but also it build an entrepreneurship skill in them. So definitely kids can earn income through their hobbies, through their creativity and by offering services. Overall, I want to say you always ready to develop your skill for your future. Learn, practice like a teamwork, try to improve your creativity, build your interest, always try to take responsibility which you think you are able to fulfill. That is essential for earning opportunities. Always make yourself ready to encourage exploration of passions that help you to develop your talent which lead to successful future. So this is all about what is income, what are the different type of incomes, what is the difference between earned income or gifted income, and how the children can earn income by their skills, hobbies, creativity and taking responsibilities. I hope you like this video. If you please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.